When it comes to home security, your doors are your first line of defense. Worn out, damaged, or outdated doors can compromise your home's safety, leaving you vulnerable to intruders, extreme weather, and other risks. Upgrading to a new, secure door is a practical and effective way to protect your home and family. For homeowners in Orangeburg, where weather conditions and safety concerns demand durable solutions, door replacement is an investment worth making. Here's how replacing your doors can significantly increase your home's security while adding other valuable benefits. Enhanced strength and durability. Modern replacement doors are built with robust materials that are far stronger and more durable than older models. They provide a secure barrier against forced entry and protect your home from external threats. Steel doors. Known for their incredible strength, steel doors are nearly impossible to break through, making them an excellent choice for maximum security. Fiberglass doors. These doors combine durability with weather resistance, offering a long-lasting solution that doesn't compromise on security. Solid wood doors. High-quality wood doors are both sturdy and stylish, providing a solid defense against intruders. Investing in a durable door ensures that your home remains well protected in Orangeburg's varying conditions. Advanced locking mechanism. One of the most critical components of a secure door is its locking system. Modern replacement doors are designed to accommodate advanced locking mechanisms that go beyond traditional deadbolts. Multi-point locks. These systems secure the door at multiple points along the frame, making it much harder to force open. Smart locks. Keyless entry systems with features like fingerprint recognition, smartphone integration, and temporary access codes add an extra layer of convenience and security. Tamper-proof locks. Reinforced locks resist picking or drilling, ensuring your door stays secure even against sophisticated break-in attempts. These advanced locking mechanisms give you peace of mind, knowing your home is protected with state-of-the-art technology. Impact-resistant glass. Many modern doors include glass panels for style and natural light, but traditional glass can be a weak point in your home's security. Replacement doors often feature impact-resistant glass that combines beauty with strength. Laminated glass. Made with multiple layers, laminated glass remains intact even when broken, creating a barrier against intruders. Tempered glass. This option is much stronger than standard glass, shattering into small, less harmful pieces if broken. Decorative glass with security features. You can choose frosted or textured glass to add privacy while maintaining the aesthetic appeal. With impact-resistant glass, you can enjoy the beauty of natural light without compromising your home's safety. Weather resistance for added protection. In Orangeburg, extreme weather conditions such as storms and heavy rain can also pose a security risk. Older doors may weaken over time, becoming susceptible to damage or forced entry. Modern replacement doors are designed to withstand the elements while maintaining their strength. Storm-ready designs. Impact-rated doors provide extra durability to handle strong winds and flying debris, ensuring your home remains secure even during severe weather. Warp-resistant materials. Fiberglass and steel doors resist warping and cracking, common issues in humid climates like Orangeburg's. Weather-resistant doors protect your home from environmental wear and tear, keeping your security features intact over time. Improved frames and hinges. A door is only as strong as its frame and hinges. Older doors may have weakened frames or hinges that are easy to tamper with. Replacement doors come with reinforced frames and hardware to enhance security. Reinforced frames. Steel or composite frames resist splitting or breaking under pressure. Heavy-duty hinges. Modern doors feature tamper-resistant hinges that prevent intruders from removing the door. Flush mounts. Concealed hinge designs add an extra layer of security by hiding potential access points. Upgrading these components ensures your door can withstand both environmental stresses and intrusion attempts. Fire-rated doors for added safety. Some modern replacement doors are designed to offer fire resistance, providing added protection for your family and property. Fire-rated doors are built to withstand high temperatures and slow the spread of fire, giving you valuable time in an emergency. Steel and fiberglass options. These materials are commonly used in fire-rated doors for their heat resistance. Sealed gaps. Fire-rated doors include seals that prevent smoke and heat from penetrating into other areas of your home. While primarily a safety feature, fire-rated doors also add to your home's overall security. Deterrence through appearance. A new, sturdy door sends a clear message to would-be intruders. This home is secure. A well-maintained, modern door with visible security features can act as a strong deterrent. Visible smart locks. Advanced locking systems signal that your home is equipped with cutting-edge security. Well-lit entryway. A new door paired with proper lighting makes it less inviting for intruders to target your home. Sometimes, the appearance of security is enough to make your home a less attractive target. Increased home value. In addition to improving security, a replacement door enhances your home's curb appeal and value. Prospective buyers prioritize homes with updated, secure features, making your investment pay off in the long run. Conclusion. A secure upgrade for your Orangeburg home door replacement is more than just a cosmetic upgrade. It's an essential step in securing your home and family. With modern materials, advanced locking mechanisms, and reinforced designs, today's replacement doors provide unparalleled security while enhancing your home's appearance. For Orangeburg homeowners, where weather and safety are key considerations, a new door is an investment in both peace of mind and property value. Consult a trusted local professional to explore your options and enjoy the confidence that comes with a safe, secure home.